Yato Player Kids Bluetooth Speaker Review, the ultimate screen-free audio companion for kids. The Yato Player Kids Bluetooth speaker is a revolutionary device designed to inspire creativity and independence in children aged 3 to 12. With its screen-free, ad-free, and microphone-free design, this Bluetooth speaker ensures a safe and engaging experience for kids. It features a vivid pixel display that enhances storytelling and audio playback, making it perfect for bedtime stories, music, white noise, and even an alarm clock with an OK to wake function. Setting up the Yato player is simple, just pop in an audiobook card to play and remove it to stop. The intuitive dials and free Yato app offer seamless control. Its 24-hour battery life and USB-C fast charging make it highly convenient, while the 32 GB internal memory allows for 600+ hours of offline entertainment. The device also provides access to over 1,000 Yato cards, including best-selling novels, podcasts, and customizable make-your-own cards, ensuring kids always have fresh content to explore. Pros: screen-free, ad-free entertainment for kids. Multi-purpose functionality, storyteller, nightlight, alarm clock, and more. Long battery life and fast charging. Extensive content library that grows with children. Cons: not waterproof, limiting outdoor use. Requires Yato cards, which may add extra cost. Overall, the Yato player is an excellent investment for parents seeking a safe, versatile, and portable audio device for their kids. Its innovative design and enriching content make it a must-have for nurturing young minds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.